Hello everyone, today we will discuss fishery management. Fishery management. So the fishery management means the fish capturing, fish storage of freezers and sailing of fishes, sailing of fishes. So they are called as fishery management. Fishery management means capturing of fishes, fish storage of the freezers and sailing of the fishes. So they are called as fishery management. Next one, types of fisheries. Types of fisheries. Types of fisheries. So the types of fisheries means fisheries obtained from the capturing of fishes, based on the capturing of fishes. So they are the two types based on the capturing of fishes. Based on capturing of fishes, these are two types. These are two types. These are the two types based on capturing of fishes. So they are the type fisheries are two types. First one capture fishes. Capture fisheries. Second one, culture fisheries. Capture fisheries and culture fisheries based on capturing of fishes. So the fisheries are two types, capture fisheries and culture fisheries. First one, capture fisheries. First one, capture fisheries. First one, capture fisheries. Capture fisheries means, so the capture fisheries means, so in the capture fishery the resource is obtained from the natural body of water. Fisheries captured from the natural water bodies. So they are the natural body of water. Natural body of water. So the capture fisheries means there is no culture. For example, large sea. So this sea, there is no culturing of any one person. There is no culturing of the fisheries. But so the fisheries are growing in the sea. So directly, so the capturing of the fishes. So there is no food materials, do not giving the food materials, do not give the culturing, but directly, so they are capturing of the fishes. There is no culture, only capturing of the normal. So they are capturing of the natural body of water. So they are capturing of the fishes. So they are called as capture fisheries. So they are the three types: offshore fishery, inshore fishery, inshore fishery, offshore fishery, inshore fishery and inland fisheries. Offshore fisheries, inshore fisheries, inland fisheries. First one, offshore fisheries. For example, just rough diagram. So these are the large sea. So in this sea, so the fish capturing of the open water area. So, the central area. So, they are the open water area. So, the fish capturing from the open water area. So, they are called as offshore fisheries. Fish capturing from the open water area. Open water area. Fish capturing from the open water area. So, they are called as offshore fisheries. Fish capturing from the open water area. So, they are called as offshore fisheries. Next one, inshore fisheries. Next one, inshore fisheries. Inshore fisheries means fish is capturing from the coastal areas. Fish capturing from the coastal areas. Coastal areas means, so they are the nearby the shore, nearby the shore. So, the fish capturing from the coastal areas. Fish capturing from the coastal areas. Fish capturing from the coastal areas. So, fish capturing from the coastal areas. So, they are called as inshore fisheries. Inshore fisheries. Next one, inland fisheries. Next one, inland fisheries. Inland fisheries means fish capturing from the fresh water. Fish capturing from the fresh water. Fish capturing from the fresh water. These two is sea water or salt water. Salt water. They are the three types of the capture fisheries. Three types of the capture fisheries: inshore fisheries, inland fisheries, offshore fisheries. First one, offshore fisheries. First one, offshore fisheries. Offshore fisheries means the fish is capturing from the open water area. Fish capturing from the open water area. That type of the fish capturing is called as offshore fisheries. Next one, so the fisheries are capturing from the coastal areas. Fisheries is capturing from the coastal areas. That is called as inshore fisheries. Third one, inland fisheries. Third one, inland fisheries. Inland fisheries means fish capturing from the freshwater areas. So, the water is two types: fresh water and marine water. Marine water means sea water, salt water. Fresh water means, so the pure water. So, they are the fresh water capturing from the fishes. So, they are called as inland fisheries. So, they are the capture fisheries. Next one, culture fisheries. Second one, culture fisheries. Second one, culture fisheries. Next one, culture fisheries. So, the culture fisheries means, so first, so they are the select suitable area. So, the create a pond. So, the specially create a pond. So, taken from the fish seeds and culturing of the fishes, fish feed and vaccines, growing feed. So, they are called as fish culturing. So, the fishes are the culturing, fish growing, taken from the food materials, giving the food materials. So, they are the taking of the fishes. So, they are called as culture fishes, culturing of the fish. So, they are the capture fishes means there is no culture, directly collecting, capturing. But so these culture fisheries, so they are the culturing of the fishes like poultry farm, like fish farming. So, they create a like small pond taken from the fish, child fish, small fishes every day giving food materials. So, after growing the capturing of the fishes. So, they are called as culture fisheries. So, they are called as culture fisheries, capture fisheries and culture fisheries. Next one, so they are the aquaculture. So, the aquaculture. So, the aquaculture means, so the culturing of the fishes, prawns, crabs. Aquaculture. Next one, aquaculture. Aquaculture. So, the aquaculture means culturing of water bodies, culturing of water bodies, culturing of water bodies, culturing of water bodies. Aquaculture means culturing of water bodies like prawns. Next, crops, next fishes. So they are called as aquaculture. Next one pisciculture. Next one pisciculture. Pisciculture means culturing of only fishes. Culturing of only fishes. So they are called as pisciculture. Aquaculture means culturing of plants, crops and fishes. So they are the aquaculture and pisciculture. Next one, so they are the culturing fishes names. Culture fishes in India, culturing fishes names. Katla katla. Katla katla. So name katla katla. Fish name katla katla. Next one labio rohita. Labio rohita. Next one Sirhenus megale. Sirhenus megale. Katla katla labio rohita Sirhenus megale. Katla katla labio rohita Sirhenus megale. These three types are the Indian culturing fishes. India culturing fishes. In India culturing fishes like katla katla, labia rohita and Sirhenus megale. So they are the three is the culturing fishes of the in India. Next one the exotic fishes like common crab, grass crab, common crab, common crab, grass crab and silver crab. Silver crab. So they are the exotic crabs. So they are the exotic crabs. Common crab, grass crab and silver crab. So they are the exotic crabs. So they are the culturing fish names. Next one hypophysation. Next one hypophysation. Next one hypophysation. Hypophysation. So the hypophysation means so the injection of gonadotropins like FSH and LH. Injection of FSH and LH. FSH and LH. So the fishes. So the injection of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. So these two injection of the fishes. So the fish. So they are the releasing more androgens, like they are more releasing of the eggs, So they are called as hypophysation. So they are introducing the breeding of followed by the artificial breeding. So they are the pituitary extracts. So they are the pituitary extracts FSH and LH. So they are the pituitary extracts. So they are the ovaprin. They are also another name ovaprin. Ovaprin. So the injection of the ovaprin. So they are the laying the. So they are the injected. So the brood fish to induce the release of spawn for seed production. So they are the fish releasing more spawn. The fish releasing the more spawn. So they are called as hypophysation. Simple hypophysation means so the injection of the gonadotropins like pituitary extracts like follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone is also called as ovaprin. So their injection. So the fish releasing to the more ovulation like more spawn is releasing. So they are called as hypophysation. Next one ecological importance of fisheries. Ecological importance. Ecological importance. Ecological importance. So the ecological importance means so the fish cod liver oil, shark fish food. So the fish food they contain more vitamins A, and D. The food contain a vitamins A, D and they contain proteins and minerals. So the fish food contain a proteins, minerals and vitamin A, D presenting in the fish food. So they are the more healthy of this food is healthy food. There is no fat. So chicken presenting on the fat, mutton present on the fat, but fish meat there is no fat. They are presenting on the more proteins, more minerals and vitamin A and D presenting on the fish meat. Next one, so the another important, so they are the byproducts, fish byproducts. Fish byproducts. Fish byproducts. So the fish byproducts, so they are the fish cod liver oil, shark and cod liver oil, fish and cod liver oil, fish and cod liver oil. So these oil presenting on the vitamins A and D. Vitamins A and D presenting on the fish cod liver oil, fish cod liver oil. Next one, chagrin. Next one, isinglass. Isinglass. So these are the fish byproducts. Fish byproducts. So they are the fish byproducts. Fish cod liver oil. Next one, vitamins A and D presenting on the oil. Next one, chagrin. Next one, isinglass. Chagrin and isinglass. So they are the fish byproducts. So they are the fishery management.